As a child, I didn't realize the impact that the YMCA had on me. I just realized that it was my safe place, my home away from home. And I know as an adult now how much that affected me to have role models and people I looked up to and help me create goals. And I could grow as a human being and learn from everybody in my life and love what I do.
And when she was at the hospital yesterday getting her infusion, she just told the doctors and nurses that she goes to the Y and she's a cheerleader, and she did all the cheers, and she was more focused on cheering for the nurses than she was about getting her medicine. So it's done a lot, it makes her very happy to be a part of the Y.
I'm a student full-time in nursing. I'm a full-time mom. So another benefit of the YMCA program is the Open Doors program, in which you can get financial assistance for the kids to be able to participate in the programs.
But this is our first year with the YMCA for basketball, and I like it a lot. They're learning, teamwork and the actual drills of basketball and not just running around on the court. They're actually learning and knowing what to do with the actual basketball game.
Hi, I'm Joanna Castle, Executive Director for the Citrus County branch of the YMCA of the Suncoast. There is no other nonprofit quite like the Y. In Citrus County, we are dedicated to developing programs that meet the specific needs of our diverse community by incorporating activities that encourage the participation of youth, teens, and adults. The programs we offer today in Citrus County will lead us into the future when we have a full facility that will serve thousands of individuals in many ways. Youth programs are skills and values-based and serve to nurture a child's healthy development in a safe and caring environment. Through healthy programs like summer camps with a strategic focus on summer learning loss and a literacy initiative, elementary after-school enrichment programs, sports leagues, a developmental after-school care program, and swim lessons, the Y is providing opportunities for children to learn, grow, and thrive. We also offer exercise classes and guidance at churches and other community locations to help adults maintain or improve their physical activity, health, and wellness in spirit, mind, and body.
We love YMCA!
I have been a member of Citrus County for almost all my adult life. I'm a fifth generation, and I didn't have the opportunity to grow up with a Y. But after visiting several of them, I see the asset that it brings to the community. When you talk about youth development and social responsibility and healthy living, that would be an asset to any community.
I mean, I visit the YMCA sometimes down in Hernando County, and I am not a senior citizen yet, but I sit down, as you walk into the YMCA, there's a coffee shop there, and the seniors, they've already done their exercise, they've done their work in the pool, and they want to sit down and have coffee with their friends and just sit and talk. It's a gathering place. It becomes the center of the community, and Citrus County is ready for that.
And it's about building a community, not just about a building, but a community as a whole. And that's going to benefit this county in a whole host of different ways. And it's exciting for us to be a part of it. It's exciting as someone that has a young family to see what the potential can be when this happens. And we are just so excited, and we'd ask individuals to join us and to join the board of the YMCA and the many individuals and the staff to make this a reality.
So without further ado, it's my honor to introduce you a girl full of energy, courage, happiness, and enthusiasm, Eliana Nanny.
Big apple made of apple, Susie
At the Y, no child, family, or adult is turned away. We recognize that for communities to succeed, everyone must be given the opportunity to feel confident, connected, and secure. In partnering with the Y, your involvement is making an impact. When you give to the Y, you strengthen Citrus County by helping the Y deliver safe and affordable programs and provide opportunities for individuals to reach their God-given potential.
So at Christmas time, Dr. Goldstein actually agreed to let her try a sport, and the YMCA made that all possible by doing everything and giving her her uniform. So.
They talk a lot about healthy eating, exercise a lot outside, which they really weren't getting a lot before. So it just really, I like the structure. I also think it's very affordable.
But it's just it's a great time. We look forward to going every Saturday and watching all the kids and just to see the look on their face and how proud they are, and it's a good time.
In my Y career, I've had the pleasure of being able to be involved in the starting of a number of YMCAs. I think one of the most gratifying parts of that work, and what we'll find here in this community as well, is the unifying factor that the YMCA brings to a community. It is that central hub in which everyone can come to and find a niche for themselves, but also a place that will break down barriers in our community, whether they be social, economical, or cultural. The YMCA is that melting pot, if you will, of a community to provide those services.
Now we have people coming together from all sides of our county. We have a great contribution of a piece of property that is in the center of the county that really makes sense for building the Y. And the biggest thing is we have the need in Citrus County. Marion County has a YMCA. Hernando County has a YMCA. Pasco County has two. Citrus County has been developed. We have all sorts of residential areas and businesses, and new people come to this community all the time and they say, "Where's your YMCA?" We don't have a Y. It is one of the most needed assets of all time in this community.
I love picturing, the retired executive hopping on the treadmill next to a 16-year-old boy that needs someone mentoring him, and just that bond that they can form day after day, exercising together. Or I love picturing, someone stepping out of their box and trying something new, trying a new activity that they've never done before, building that sense of daily community. And I think that's why we need the facility. The facility is going to just bring it all together.
I have had the privilege of sitting on the Y board now since 2008. I know for a fact that our money is spent wisely. I wouldn't support it if it wasn't. If you want to support a charity that's going to make a drastic difference, choose the YMCA of Citrus County. Help us build the building that we deserve.
As the nation's leading nonprofit for youth development, healthy living, and social responsibility, the Y uses your gift to make a meaningful, enduring impact right here in your own neighborhood. Support our cause, strengthen Citrus County. Give today.